Hi friends, Kennedy here from Our Friendly World, and I just wanted to show you really quick how to create a magic circle. When you are starting crochet in the round projects, you can use the chain two and work into the first chain technique, but I find that the magic circle gives you a little bit nicer starting point. So I just wanted to show this to you. It can be frustrating for some people, so if you decide you don't like this technique, that's totally fine too. But to create a magic circle, you're going to hold the yarn and you're going to work with the piece connected to the skein. So my yarn end is over here. I'm using my working yarn and 2 fingers. I'm going to wrap over those fingers, and then when I wrap around the second time, I'm crossing back over to make an X shape. Now go underneath this first piece. This piece is laying under the top piece of yarn. Go under that first piece, grab this back piece and pull it around to the front. Now grab this top left piece again, and now I like to carefully remove my fingers so that I can use them to guide my yarn here. But you have 2 loops on your hook. You're gonna move this back loop over that top one. So really you're pulling this front loop through the second loop on your hook. And now you've created your magic circle, and you're gonna move your hook over to your dominant hand, and it kind of looks just like a mess here. But this single piece of yarn here is the edge you want to be working around. So to create your single crochet, let's say you're starting with 6 single crochet in a magic circle, you're going to go into that circle, into this loop, create your single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and you can hold it up here if it's helpful, 4, 5, and 6. And now you can pull on this yarn tail to tighten it all up. And now you have this nice tight start to your first round. Again, you can practice that as many times as you want until you master it, or if you decide you're not really interested, that's okay, and you can always chain 2 and work in the first chain for any crochet in the round projects.